For minus 4 equals 0, and then, 3 minus 3 equals 0, in the end, 0 multiplied by 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym, PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, I stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. Then we perform the remaining operation. This same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. For minus 4 times 3 minus 3. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, in this expression, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. For times 3 equals 12, and the expression becomes, for minus 12 minus 3. Now, in this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and because subtractions have equal priority, we move from left to right, and perform the subtractions in order. For minus 12 equals negative 8, and in the end, negative 8 minus 3 equals negative 11, which is our correct final answer. Thank you for watching this video.